My name is Wendy Clay, and I'm a branch librarian here in Locksburg, Arkansas. 5 years ago, I had a little program. I do a lot of programs. I had a little family here. I said, the program is over, and one of the little girls said, but you haven't given us anything to eat yet. We kind of came to a consensus that feeding these kids would be a really great thing to do.
When most people think about food insecurity, they think about those that are living in the most extreme level of poverty, but that's not actually the case.
My name is Ruby Smith. We have 7 kids. Everything we do is for our kids, everything. When I go to the grocery store, I get really stressed out. I'll be on the phone with James and I'll tell him, I can't do this, these prices are killing us.
I don't know a single person that has not had a rough time. In an area where there's only really one major employer, it's really hard to try to make ends meet.
During the school year, children have access to school breakfast and they have access to school lunch. And so through our summer feeding project, we wanted to mimic what they were receiving during the school year throughout the summers. Transportation is an issue. We were trying to think about ways that we could expand our reach. I just had an idea about adding additional sites that were in the more rural areas. They can walk and pick up a meal, whether the parent comes with them or not.
I'm disabled, and so some days it's really, really hard for me to get up and cook. One of the things that I'm so grateful for now with the summer meals is you can take them home. It makes it so much easier.
Without the No Kid Hungry grant, this program would not have been possible. When we wrote our grant, we anticipated feeding 50 additional children, and that's more than tripled in just the first 2 weeks. Once you identify those needs, there are so many partners like No Kid Hungry that will walk you through every step of the way. When people start to see good work happening in their community, it's contagious. There's strength in numbers. Everyone wants to make a difference in someone's life.
I prayed that there weren't any hungry kids in this town. And when that many kids showed up and have come back day after day, I'm so grateful for the opportunity to feed them.